Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about topic is health and this is part 1. This is English vocabulary in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students, in general for any English learner. So as you know, I have covered more than 27 common topics for IELTS and TOEFL, and so you can nowadays we are topic is health, and open a playlist of my channel to watch complete course in order, and link is given below in description. And these topics are useful in our common life and daily life also. Administer is a verb. It means to inject, to give medicine or to inject medicine. This is verb to use to give or inject medicine. The drug should have been administered intravenously. Intravenously mean in vein, to rapidly relieve the pain. To rapidly relieve the pain. Relieve is to reduce. This is good word. Relieve, to relieve the pain. Drug was administered to relieve the pain rapidly, in vain. The dose is the medicine that the doctor give. Dose, quantity. The dose was administered to the child twice daily, 2 times in a day. Okay, twice daily. Epidemic. Epidemic is an adjective, or it can also be a noun. It means presence of a disease in a large population of same area. A flu epidemic is sweeping through New York. Pandemic is when many countries and continents are affected with a disease or infection, like COVID-19 nowadays in 2020, or Spanish flu that was in 1921. These are pandemics. One pandemic of Spanish flu took nearly 22 million lives worldwide. This pandemic has took about 22 million lives in the whole world. This was pandemic in all over the world. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Please like, comment and share to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Thank you. Diagnose. Diagnose is a verb. It means to say exactly what a disease, or what is a disease and what is the cause of the problem. That when a patient comes to a doctor, we diagnose their problem, we diagnose their disease. Okay. Adjective form can be diagnostic, a diagnostic test, a diagnostic tool, a diagnostic equipment. Synonyms we can use identify, to determine, to recognize. To identify, to determine or to recognize. John was diagnosed with asthma. He was diagnosed with asthma. His illness was diagnosed as asthma. Okay. Prescription. Prescription is a noun. This is a piece of paper on which doctor writes the details of their medicine, the details of the medicine of the patient. This is called prescription. You take prescription from a doctor and go to the pharmacist or pharmacy or medical store to buy medicine, to purchase medicine. Antibiotics and sleeping pills are only available on prescription. It means when you go to a pharmacy, they will not give you these medicine oral. When you say it on your own, you have to take the prescription of a doctor to show them, and then they can sell it. This is a rule. The act of a doctor, when it is used as a prescribe, as a verb, it means act of a doctor to write drugs according to patient's disease. So when you are talking about disease, talking about health, or writing about it, vary your language. At one point you can use a noun form, at other point use the verb form. This is called variation of language, range of vocabulary. Example sentences can be: the Panadol is often prescribed for a fever. Panadol is often prescribed for a fever. The doctor gave me a painkiller for my knee pain. The doctor gave me a painkiller for my knee pain. Deteriorate. Deteriorate is a verb. It means to become worse. To deteriorate, to become worse. Synonym can be to decline, to worsen. To decline, to worsen. Patient's condition had deteriorated. We most commonly use when we doctors or medical staff talking with each other. Deteriorate, deterioration. Deterioration is a noun. Instead of only using verb form, you need to vary your language. Deteriorate is a verb form, as a noun. He had a stroke and his condition has deteriorated rapidly. His condition deteriorated rapidly. My son's breath deteriorated rapidly after exposure to the smoke. When he was exposed to the smoke, his respiration, his breath was deteriorated rapidly. Acute. Acute is a disease, an illness that quickly becomes severe and dangerous. This is a disease that quickly, in a short time, becomes severe and dangerous. Collocations can be acute abdominal pain in abdomen, that is of short duration and is intense. We can say acute attack of appendicitis. We can also use acute appendicitis, that is appendix, pain of appendix, that is severe. Intense or severe. Synonym can be intense or severe. My grandmother died from acute kidney failure. She died from acute kidney failure means her kidney failure was sudden, was in a short time, not a chronic. Chronic is for long time. Disease that continues, chronic is adjective. Disease that continues for a long time, like diabetes or hypertension. This is chronic disease. Synonyms can be persistent or long lasting, of long duration. Collocations we use chronic disease, chronic condition. We can also use chronic arthritis, chronic pain. Example sentence is that John's chronic lung disease has recently deteriorated. His disease has deteriorated. Chronic stress is one of the causes of heart attack disease. If you have stress for a long time, then it can cause heart attack. Health education. Health education is a noun. It means education that promotes an understanding of how to maintain personal health. Okay, how to maintain personal health. One way to fight against COVID-19 is health education. What is health education? People should be told that the importance of wearing a face mask. When you told this, you are doing their health education. Maternal basic health education is vital to decrease infant mortality rate. Infant is a child and mortality rate is death rate. So if you want to decrease their death rate, maternal or mother's basic health education is vital. You should educate them. Health conscious. Health conscious is an adjective. You can use it when you're talking about your friend or when you're talking about health. Health conscious. Someone who has a keen interest in his own health. He is health conscious because he has keen interest in his own health. After his younger sister died of stroke, John became far more health conscious and made changes to his lifestyle. He has made changes to his lifestyle. He has become more health conscious. Addiction. Addiction is a noun. It means when someone is unable to stop using or doing something. For example, alcohol or heroin. These are drugs. Addiction is, it also means dependence, habit. These are synonyms: dependence, habit. Addict. Addict is a verb or it can also be a noun. Addictive is an adjective. So when you're talking about health, when you're talking about these words, you need to vary your language. At one point use noun, at other point use verb, so that your language is varied. Okay, this will boost your score. Example sentences: Diana's addiction became with prescribed drugs. Prescribed drugs is drugs that a doctor has prescribed for her. So but she then is dependent, she is addicted to these drugs. John is addicted to heroin. Sleeping pill can be addictive when you use it for a long time. To be out of shape is a phrasal verb to mean when you are not physically fit enough to do exercise. He arrived at gym looking heavy and out of shape, not looking smart or very good vocabulary. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share, so that you can receive more videos on each of these topics: grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. So look at the description box for updates and a link to my Facebook group. Thank you very much. See you in next video.